चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाएं।
Presenting Toyzone HEMA electric car TZ318. It comes with openable doors, LED headlights, rear lights, horn, and interactive features like USB, aux, Bluetooth, FM, and preloaded music. It gives safe and comfortable ride equipped with seat belt, slow start function, anti-overturn steering wheel, suspension springs, and a comfortable seat for a smooth, secure drive. It has long playtime and durable build. BIS certified for safety and quality, offers up to 120 minutes of play on a full charge, ensuring lasting fun for children above 3 years. Skill development for kids encourages hand-eye-foot coordination, builds courage, and boosts confidence while providing a fun, engaging driving experience. The box contains remote controller, charger and parts. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.
Now let's move on to the unboxing and installation process. To buy this product, click on the link given in description box below this video. इस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने के लिए वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your attention please. Your subscription is very important. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. कृपया ध्यान दें, आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें.